Hello guys, Hardened veteran here and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Wolfenstein Panzerhund edition. As you can see here, it comes in a very large box. I finally received this today after a week or so of waiting, obviously coming from the United States. As you guys know, the delivery time can certainly take a little while to come, but nevertheless, let's get this unboxed. So I'll use my knife here obviously to get into this box. There we go, plastic's off. Now as you can see on the front here, we've got 3463 out of 5000 made. So that's another good little thing that they put in there. Now as you can see, another bit of plastic there I think. So I believe this has got some important information. So we'll just open this up. Some string there to hold it. As you can see, you've got a lot of files. So we've got, looks like some sort of map, I think. We have some blueprints. Another blueprint here. And we have something else here. Looks to be another map of some sort. More blueprints. And another blueprint. And we have a diagram, it looks like, of different bits and pieces. I'm not quite sure actually what that is. Seems to be in German. We have another letter, again in German. We have another map. And last but not least, we have a diagram of a skull which looks to have a bullet to the head. And next we're going to come to is the steelbook case. As you can see here, it can hold 4 discs. Another nice little thing there. The next thing we're going to come to is this little booklet here. Got some tweed string there, held nicely, and these look to be bits and pieces from the campaign. Nice bit of artwork there. And if we go underneath here, gel there which we won't be using, and here we've got some things that you can actually maybe put to your clothes, maybe jackets or whatever if you fancy. And the next thing we're going to come to is this little box which actually contains dog tags, again held by tweed string. Again, quite nice thing to have. This is the final thing, I believe. And yeah, this looks to be the final thing. Just open it very carefully. Got the Panzerhund on the front there. Take it out of the box nice and carefully. You can actually get it out. There we go. Oh, more tape here. The knife again. Oh, there's more tape on the side to keep these things protected. Last bit of tape there. Oh, there we go, finally. So as you can see here, this is the actual Panzerhund, which looks very, very nice, very detailed. Its legs can move, its tail, I believe its mouth can move as well. Yep, there we go. Obviously its neck as well. That's a very, very nice thing to have with this edition. Looks very, very nice, very detailed as well, again. And also it comes with a little stand to put it on. Got the Wolfenstein logo on there. You can just sit on there like that. So that about wraps it up for the Panzerhund edition, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was just a quick insight to what's actually included in this edition if you fancy purchasing it and you don't actually know what's included. I would recommend purchasing this. Really, really nice. Obviously, again, it's quite pricey in money, but nevertheless, you do get your fair amount with it, I would say. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and a subscribe would definitely help me out as well. Thank you very much.